have another Olive Tree People unboxing for you guys. As you know, their boxes are so beautiful, but if you order a lot or stuff that's bigger, it does come in a normal box. I mean, it's really not that big of a deal, but when you look inside, you still get the fancy boxes. This is my favorite part. I don't know. It's exciting when you get a box that's actually pretty because there's so many just ugly brown boxes that sit at my door for so long. If you're a content creator, you know where I'm coming from. But when I see this box, I get really excited. So here we go. And I love how they're easy to open. You don't need scissors for these. And they always come with the best things inside. So not only is their paper really pretty, but they do wrap everything really well, which I love. So this is their olive mush. I have not tried this stuff. I've heard great things. It's basically like a coffee alternative. It has mushrooms and ginger and chili and cinnamon. So turmeric, great things for digestion, for inflammation, for skin health. It works from the inside out, like all of their stuff. I mean, Olive Tree People really is big on making you feel your best, making you look your best, and not just a cover up, like something that actually is healing you. So olive mush, I'm very excited about this one. Great to add to your coffee, to drink instead of coffee if you're pregnant. If you're nursing, you wanna limit your coffee intake or caffeine intake. And then, ta-da! This is their I-56. So I have not tried this. This is their olive oil. It's extra virgin. This same olive that makes this is what makes all of their facial products too. So I'm really excited about this. Drinking just a capful a day really does help fight inflammation, again, helps with digestion. I've read so many stories about just eczema disappearing and all that kind of stuff. I mean, of course, our body, you need to take a holistic approach. You need to do something that really is good for everything, but this is definitely gonna be part of my routine. All right, slight break with my 3-year-old, but here we go, back to it. There is one more little goodie in here. This is F59. So this is their corrective serum, which is so great for wrinkles. I mean, I use this all the time. It's just like a spot treatment basically. And the thing is, you only need to use it like 2 or 3 times a week, and it really does help. I mean, I used to have awful 11s. Right here, this is their Botox in a bottle, and I'm telling you, it has basically made them disappear. I mean, of course, not completely, but if you need to try one thing, you need to try this guy. All right, moving on to box number 2.
Can I kick the ball?
Here we go. Yeah, go ahead, kick the ball, buddy. All right, one more box, and let's see what's inside. So this I actually got as a gift from my mom for Christmas, but I want to share it with all of you because it is a really pretty gifting box. So it is pretty and pink. And this comes with a hair and scalp treatment. It comes with Moroccan mint shower gel. It is their FO6, which is great. So this is also basically like mini Botox in a bottle. Cell active serum face. This is a really good one. And then finally, this is anti-wrinkle eye cream, definitely a must. I use this every day, morning and night. This is a really good one. And then their FO7 anti-age cream. So I think these are the ones maybe that all came together in a set. I don't recall. I think these are the ones that came in a set. They just kind of boxed them different, but that's totally okay. This is a very nice cream. I mean, what you basically want to do, wash your face, of course. Put on your serum or your elixir, put on the cream, and then make sure to avoid the eye area and do this. I usually do the elixir, then this, and the cream. That's kind of my stage of events, if you will. But if you haven't tried Olive Tree People, this stuff is great. It makes your skin glow from the inside out, especially if you're taking the internals, which you know I love. And they have a 365 free day return. So if you use all of it and you're not happy, you can still get your money back. I guarantee you will be happy though, because I haven't heard anyone who's not happy unless they're not using the products correctly, because you really don't need to use everything every day. You kind of want to let your skin breathe, because if you don't, it will purge, you'll get acne, la la la. I'll go into details if you end up getting certain products and want to know more. Just DM me, message me, email, whatever it is. I am here to help you guys. I want you to feel your best and look your best, and I'm here to help you do that.